Welcome to Healthy How-To's YouTube channel. Now let's get started with the video. A raw food diet involves mainly unprocessed, whole, plant-based, and preferably organic, foods. 3/4 of the person's diet should consist of uncooked food. Raw food dieters believe that eating a high proportion of raw foods makes them healthier. Some raw foodists are vegan, and they consume no foods of animal origin. Others eat raw meat and raw animal products. Raw foodists claim that consuming mainly uncooked foods can lead to weight loss. Weight loss is not the main aim of the raw food diet, but it is possible. They also believe that with a raw food diet, the body is better able to prevent and fight diseases, especially chronic diseases. Some nutrients, for example, water-soluble vitamins B and C, are reduced or destroyed by cooking, so eating food raw ensures a better supply of these. This, they say, is because raw and living foods contain essential food enzymes. Heating the food to above 116 degrees Fahrenheit, or 47 degrees Celsius, destroys these food enzymes. Raw foodists maintain that enzymes are the life force of a food. Nature has given each food its unique perfect mix. These vital enzymes allow us to fully digest our foods without having to rely on our own digestive enzymes. Raw food dieters argue that the cooking process destroys or alters these enzymes, as well as essential vitamins and minerals. Only raw food, they say, is live food. Cooked foods, they say, take longer to digest, and they clog up the digestive system and arteries with partially digested fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Raw food dieters maintain that a person on the diet will experience more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, weight loss, a lower risk of developing heart and cardiovascular disease. Studies have indicated that a plant-based diet, but not necessarily raw, can lead to weight loss and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, cancer, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. There are 4 broad types of raw food diets. Raw vegetarians eat plant-based foods plus eggs and dairy products. Raw vegans eat no animal products at all. Raw omnivores eat both plant-based and animal-based foods. All of these people eat mainly raw food. A raw carnivore eats meat but not cooked meat. The following foods are suitable for the raw food diet: soaked and sprouted beans, grains, and legumes. Dried fruits. Raw nut butters. Fresh fruits and raw vegetables. Freshly made fruit and vegetable juices. Milk from a young coconut. Nut milks. Raw nuts and seeds. Purified water, but not tap water. Seaweeds. Sun-dried fruits. Green food powder, for example, dried wheatgrass or algae. Other organic, natural, or unprocessed foods. Fermented foods, such as kimchi and sauerkraut. Depending on the type of diet, a raw food diet may also contain eggs. Fish, for example, sushi or sashimi. Meat. Milk and dairy products, but these should be non-pasteurized and non-homogenized. Foods to avoid while on a raw foods diet: all cooked or processed foods. Refined oils. Table salt. Refined sugars and flour. Coffee, tea, and alcohol. Pasta. Olives are bitter if eaten raw. However, a raw foodist can eat olives if they are raw and sun-cured. Salt preserves most olives, and olives in cans are often cooked. Different people have different interpretations of the raw food diet and what it means. Some people will eat some cooked food, while others eat none. For some people, it is a way of life. For others, it is simply a dietary choice. The only heating that is allowed while on a raw food diet is with a dehydrator. This blows hot air through the food. The temperature is never above 116 Fahrenheit, or 46 degrees Celsius. Anecdotal evidence suggests that people on the raw food diet may experience clearer skin, more energy, sustained weight loss, and a reduction in cholesterol and lipid levels in blood tests. However, the diet has some disadvantages. Motivation can be hard to keep up, especially when socializing and eating out. Digestive problems can arise, such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), but this may improve after a while. Weight loss may not benefit everyone, and some people will have to work hard to keep up the number of calories they need. Cooking kills some toxins, bacteria, and harmful compounds in food. Raw animal produce should be eaten with caution, as should some legumes, such as kidney beans. It requires a lot of discipline, organization, and preparation to ensure an adequate intake of essential nutrients. A raw food vegan is at risk of not getting enough of some nutrients, including protein, vitamin B12, iron, calcium, fatty acids, and vitamin D. One study found that raw food vegetarians may have lower bone mass, although their bones appeared to be otherwise healthy. Another found that a raw food diet can reduce overall cholesterol and triglycerides, but that it may lower the levels of HDL, or good cholesterol, and that it may raise levels of homocysteine, because of a lack of vitamin B12. High levels of homocysteine can increase the risk of cardiovascular problems. Most dietitians would agree that an increased intake of fruits and vegetables and a reduction in processed food would benefit most people. If you are interested in a raw foods diet or any other diets, be sure to check out the links down in the description below. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel. And have a healthy day.